Hi friends, this is Dr. Uday from Zsigmon Dental Clinic, Faridabad, and this is my wonderful practice.
What's going on? Hey.
And this is my first video that...
Hi. Hi.
Hi,
I want to get my teeth checked. Can you check my teeth, please?
I'm in the middle of making my first video.
Oh, you're recording a video. Oh.
Do you mind waiting
Do you mind if I sit on the dental chair by that time?
for like 5 minutes?
I would love to see you make a video.
I might be a little uncomfortable with you staring at me.
Oh, I won't look at you. Promise. Let me just sit here. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, okay. Sure. Anyway, so I was talking about how dental awareness is extremely important, and all of us are, ignoring dental awareness. So much so that there is actually an elephant in the room.
That's my elephant, actually.
It's saying...
No. That's actually my elephant.
Excuse me. It's a saying actually that there is an elephant in the room.
I have an elephant and he's in your waiting room.
Sorry? There is an elephant in the room. There's an elephant waiting outside in my waiting room. Sure. Let me have a look.
I told you. I told him.
Fuck. So, guys, there is an actual elephant in my clinic, and there is an elephant in your room too. You are ignoring dental awareness. You have not seen the whole elephant yet. You think you have seen, but you've not. It's time you visited your dentist. You went to him or her, showed your teeth every 6 months. That's how you roll, don't you?